We're fortunate in Louisiana that we can live outside almost 365 days a year. And in addition to enjoying all the plants in our garden, hardscaping is something that can also be added to enjoy the living space even more. I'm here with Dr. Damon Abdi at the Hammond Research Station, where he's going to talk to us about some of the new hardscaping features they're incorporating into the landscape here.
So at the outdoor living environment here at the Hammond Research Station, we're looking to create a true year-round experience where people can enjoy the plants, but also people can enjoy their company during the colder months. A fireplace such as this one that we built most recently can cast a lot of warmth even on those cold nights. And the simple installation started by having a concrete footer pad, then building up the side parts, and then finishing it off with some facing, mortar this, and then we're good to go.
So I know that even if you don't have a patio attached to a house, that is one of the basic starting points for outdoor living. So how did you build your patio here? What are some of the basic steps?
So the first thing before you start any excavation is call 811. Make sure that you're not going to have any utilities that are going to get in the way unless you get a dangerous and expensive issue. So when you identify your location, mark out the general footprint for that patio. You're going to want to excavate roughly 4 or 5 inches and then create that base layer. Adding in gravel with fines and compacting that is going to give you a really solid surface to continue your construction. Over that gravel layer that's compacted, you're going to want about 1 inch of sand, which you're going to smooth out. And then finally, over top of that, you're going to put your different types of stone. You can use pavers, you can use bluestone, you can use natural stone. There's a whole range of options to fit your tastes.
Awesome. Well, we're lucky to be able to do that in Louisiana almost year-round. So thanks for some of those basic tips on outdoor living. For Get It Growing, I'm Jason Stagg along with Dr. Damon Abdi for the LSU AgCenter.